Bonneau reporting live alongside James Maroney, commercial driver and truck driver. Today we've got a treat for you. We're going out on the road in a real 18-wheeler to talk about trucking safety and the safety rules of the road for truck drivers. James, are you ready?
Sure.
Let's go.
Like I said, it's only got 65 miles. So when you do a pre-trip, you pop your hood, you look at your belts, your alternator, pulleys, and everything, and then you start from top to bottom. Make sure your headlights secure, all your lights work. Stay.
So can we now take a ride and have some fun?
Yes, sir.
Climbing in. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is getting exciting. What's the hardest thing to do when driving a truck?
The hardest thing out on the road is paying attention to what you're doing and what everybody else around you is doing. These, what we call four-wheelers as truck drivers, there's cars, four-wheelers. They'll cut in on you, they don't care. You got to have a certain distance to stop if you have 80,000-pound load because it's going to take time.
But you know people are not going to do that. So in trucking school, as they're training you, what do they train you to do since you know people are going to stop in front of you?
All you can do is continue to keep your space. If a car cuts in, you got to back up and give space. You still have some.
Now, one of the funnest things for a kid was being able to drive past an 18-wheeler and doing this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do they still have that?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes. When you're in truck driving school, I assume they train you on why trucks are more dangerous than normal cars. Tell us why that is.
The weight. And they can't stop. They're top heavy. If you have
So if the truck is heavier, which makes it harder to stop, and you know traffic is going to inevitably stop in front of you, what precautions do you take?
you got to find a marker to constantly look at it. I can see red lights a quarter mile up ahead. So if I start seeing brake lights, I'm going to start slowing down and give myself time to slow down with traffic. If you ain't paying attention, you're going to rear end the car in front of you. I promise.
So then there lies in the million-dollar question, the difficulty and skill that's needed to drive a truck. And as dangerous as a truck is, somebody might speculate, you know what, accidents are going to happen. Other folks will say, you know what, that's what safety rules are for. And if you follow the safety rules, injuries don't happen. What's your take on that?
Accidents are going to happen due to people's negligence.
Right.